Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 1. Ic portus alii effodiunt, ic alta theatris fundamenta locant alii, immanesque columnas rupibus excidunt, scaenis decoralta futuris. Here they dig out a harbor. Actually, here some dig out a harbor. Here others place deep foundations for theaters, and they cut out huge columns from the rocks, lofty decorations for future stages. So this is still a continuation of those busy Carthaginians building the city of Carthage. Here is talking about building a theater. During Livy's time, any major Roman city would have had a theater, so he's showing how Carthage is civilized and fancy making their theater. Here, and the harbor of Carthage was literally had to be dug out. It wasn't a natural harbor. So that's why it says they dig out the harbor here. And remember, you have alii, and then another alii. You translate as some, and then others. Some others. And so they've carved out these huge columns from the rocks. This would be an ablative of source, from rocks. And now this is an apposition, decora alta, probably to immanes columnas, huge columns, lofty decorations for future stages. And I want to make a note about this altus, alta, altum can mean high or deep. So here we have it meaning high or lofty decorations for the future stages. But up here, it clearly means deep, because they place deep foundations. So it's interesting how altus can mean high or deep. And then finally, down here, we have a clear example of chiasmus, A-B-B-A. Scaenis goes with futuris, and decora goes with alta. It's sandwiched in there, A-B-B-A, chiasmus.